Software. What are they? Let's now learn about software. So in the previous lesson, we're looking at hardware. Now, let's look at software. So software is basically instructions that controls the hardware or instructs the hardware what it should do. That is software. Software is like the brain. It does the thinking and then it does the instruction. So how you design a software to perform a task, those instructions, how you write it, that is what a software. For instance, let's say that you want a robot to clean your room. You first instruct the robot which part of the room it should clean, how long it should clean. When it is low, it should go and plug itself to charge and all that. Those are instructions you are giving it. The process of you doing that, you are writing a software. So when you now give this instruction to the robot now performs based on those instructions and it does not work outside the instruction. I hope you have gotten the explanation of what a software is. So software is basically a set of instructions that controls how the computer hardware should perform. Now, there are two main categories of software. We have the system software and then the application software. So the system software, this controls how the hardware itself should work. For instance, the Windows. If you are using a laptop like mine, which is HP, it is built on a Windows platform. So the Windows operating system controls how my HP laptop works. And then we have the Linux, which is also for Apple devices. And then we have the Android, which is also for Android phones. So without this system, the device cannot work. So without the Android system, if you take out the Android system from your Android phone, the phone will not function. The phone will not function. So that is how the system software is. We will look at it into details. And then the other category is the application software. So the application software are built to perform specific tasks. I've just given two examples here. So here, this is a browser, and then we have the Microsoft Word. So here, the browser. So we use the browser to search for information on the internet, like Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is built to search for information on the internet. It does that specific job to retrieve data on the internet. That is what it does. And then we have the Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word is used for what? Typing. That is what it does. The Microsoft Word is used for typing or preparing documents. That is what it also does. There are other examples of the system software and then the application software, but I'm giving you this for us to move into the other part of the video. We're going to look at some more examples. Right. So the system software. Now, as I told you, it's going to be fun, and I believe so far you've gained some experience on how to research or do some assignment with AI. I'm going to give you another assignment here, and this is an AI learning task. So I want you to use AI to learn about system software and come back and finish the course. There are some questions on system software you'd have to come back and answer, then you can proceed to the next lesson. So in using the AI, I want you to focus on this. Instruct the AI to teach you about operating system, device, drivers, and utility programs under system software. It will give you some interesting explanations and also some examples. Then you come back and complete the lesson on system software.